Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. See if your workout is frozen, not progressing or stuck on one screen in Runna. It's usually caused by a sync delay, app glitch or connection issues. So most of these problems can be fixed in just a few minutes. So in this guide I will show you step by step how to fix the workout stuck issue in Runna in 2026 cleanly, correctly and like a pro. So first thing first, let's do an important reality check. So most stuck workouts are temporary glitches. Fix usually takes under 5 minutes. Your workout data is usually safe, works on iPhone and watches. Okay, so try the basic fixes first to avoid losing data. Why your workout is stuck? So common causes include temporary app glitch, weak GPS or internet signal, low battery mode, watch or phone sync delay. Okay, so first thing you can do is wait a few seconds. So keep the workout screen open, wait 10 to 20 seconds, check if the workout resumes. Mini freezes resolve automatically. You can also lock and unlock your phone. So press the power button to lock the screen, wait a few seconds, unlock your phone, return to the Runner app. This refreshes the app display. Okay. You can check GPS or internet signal. So move to an open outdoor area. Make sure when you are in for example, the street or something, make sure mobile data or Wi-Fi is on. Wait for the app to reconnect. So weak signals can freeze workouts. Okay. You can also restart the app. So only do this if the workout has clearly frozen. Close the Runner app completely, reopen the app. Check if the workout resumes or saves. Okay. So thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.